All right guys, so you're welcome everyone. If this is your first time on this channel, my name is Edward Amakon and I'm a graphic designer. I do tutorials in Photoshop. Okay, so in this particular tutorial I'm going to guide you through on how to create a window effect like what you see on the screen. All right, so the first thing first that we are going to do is to drop in our image. Okay, so I'm going to provide you the resources of the image. So in a new document. Okay, so go to open. All right, then we go to our resources. Let me first of all drop in the resource. All right, so let me drop in. Let me drop it to desktop. All right, so that we have a clear look at it. All right, then let me go into Photoshop. Let's go to desktop, and then we are going to open our new document. Okay, all right, so that's my Photoshop is quite slow, but don't worry about that. Okay, so I'm going to guide you through on how to open this particular image. Okay, so here is it. Double click it to open it. All right, let's give it some time. Okay, so once you drop in your image, okay, now don't create any new document. Just come to open here, and then you come and open the image that you want to add the effect. Okay, so this is what you do. You go and select your you select your shape tool. All right, so you're going to draw a rectangle throughout the entire entire image. Okay, all right, so you draw a rectangle. Make sure that your fill color is set to black. Okay, something like this. I think yes, this is okay for me. All right, good. And then you control G to copy. Okay, we are going to copy throughout. All right, I think this is absolutely okay for me. Then let's control J, and then let's copy them. All right, I think I have this is okay for me. All right, so let me group everything here. So make sure that you have something like this. Okay, and what I'll do is I will select all the entire everything that you do here, and then press Control E. Control E means image this. All right, and then what you are going to do is to turn it down like this, and then make sure that you let it fill the entire work. Okay, something like this. Then what you are going to do is go to your filter. All right, and then go to blur, go to Gaussian blur. All right, and then you are going to just play along with the Gaussian blur, but I want 15.3. I think this is okay for me. Then when I'm done adding the Gaussian blur, I'll go to my the blending mode. Okay, blend mode, and then set it to soft light. Okay, or maybe overlay, but just low. I think soft light is better. That's all. So this is how you can set your image, a window effect on your image. Okay, if you want to reduce the opacity too, you can reduce the opacity depending on how you want it. Okay, good. So this is a very short video and very simple video on how to create a window effect in Photoshop. If you find this video very useful, please don't forget to like, comment, and hit on the subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell in order for you to be notified anytime I drop a new video. Alright, so let me see you in the next video. Bye bye.